going to go?
We're going to Disney World.
Welcome to Planning Disney and Universal for Beginners. Today I'm going to talk you through how to link a reservation. The first way we'll do it is via the app. So when you open up your app, you're going to click on the hamburger in the bottom right hand corner. Then you'll go to Future Plans, and you won't have any reservations on there. So you're going to go to the bottom and you'll say Link to Account. And from there you'll go type ID, and then you'll type in here your confirmation number and your last name. This will also work if you're just doing ticket only purchases. Also, you can do it this way. The second way we're going to go over how to link a reservation in your My Disney Experience account is via the website, so mydisneyexperience.com. You're going to go here. You are going to go down to where it says My Plans. From here, you will click on Resort Hotel and link a reservation. And here you'll put in the confirmation number and last name, and that will find your reservation for you. You want to make sure when you're doing this that all of your friends and family are linked in there, so that they can come through on there. And we will go over that next time in our next lesson, how to link your friends and family. So I hope that you learned a lot from this, and follow along, subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on the podcast every time that we update, so that you can learn all about the trips and tips for Disney and Universal, getting you set up for your journey, and also fun things to do while you're there. I hope you learned a lot. Follow along for next time.